Okay? Everybody, let us sing Happy Birthday kay Sharla. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to
Okay? Yan na. Okay, today is kanino birthday? Okay, who want to make a wish for Sharla? Yes, Patricia. Ayan. Come here, Patricia. Okay? Please go out. Okay, Patricia, what is your wish for Sharla? Tingin sa kanya. Okay, again? Wow, what are you going to say, Sharla? Oh. Next, thank you, Patricia. Next, we have Juliel. Oh, Juliel, what's your wish for Sharla? Ayan. Juliel, what's your wish for Sharla?
I wish you have a good life and I wish you have good friends.
Wow, thank you, Juliel. What are you going to say to Sharla? Sasabihin mo. Ayan, thank you, Juliel. And the last one is we have Dominic. Si Dominic, si Philip lagi niya kasama. Okay, Dominic, what is your wish for Sharla?
Ang wish ko kay Sharla ay natumayin siya tapos hindi na siya makikita.
Okay, Mimay, close your eyes muna ha. Pag sinabi kong open, open. Wait
Okay
lang.
po, okay po.
Okay, open your eyes.
Hala!
Ayan. Open your eyes.
Hala! Ano pong nangyayari?
Open your eyes.